2009 Hyundai Genesis water pump replacement.
So we're working on a 2009 Hyundai Genesis, and customer states that antifreeze is leaking. Verify that the water pump is leaking. Customer went and bought the parts, so we're getting ready to replace and remove and replace the water pump. And it's a fairly simple job. Gotta take the belt off. Gotta take this little shield off here. It's like a little, like an air dam that goes to the air box. Take off with like little plastic clips. One that goes right there, right here, right here, and right here. And they're like little plastic clips. Just take those out, and then before you take off the serpentine belt, you want to make sure to remove the 4 10mm bolts. And they're right here. The reason why you want to do that is so if you have the serpentine belt off, it will cause the pulley to turn. So with the belt being on the pulley, it will keep it, in one spot. So that's why I recommend you to loosen up the bolts, take them out before you take off the serpentine belt. Once you remove this pulley, once you remove the bolts, then you want to loosen up the tensioner to release the belt, which is going to be a 19mm, and the little tensioner nut or bolt is going to be right here below this idler pulley. It's going to be right down there. Okay, once you put tension on it, then you can take the belt off, and then you're going to take off the water pump bolts. As you can see here, we have like almost, feel like it's 1 million bolts that you gotta take off, but it's not too bad, especially when you have a battery tool, cordless battery tool. This one is from O'Reilly's. It's called Power Torque, but I do recommend, if you go on Amazon, you can go search in AC Delco cordless battery tool, and they're fairly inexpensive, and it works pretty well. I was in a rush, I couldn't wait any longer. It told me it's gonna be like 4 days before I could get it, so I said, you know what, let me just buy this tool. It was like $81, so I just got it, and so I can get these jobs done faster. Yeah, so you're just gonna take out these bolts here. They're gonna be 13mm bolts. You're gonna also have about like 10mm bolts that goes to the water pump. Once you get the water pump off, then you want to get your, if you have a cordless drill, you want to clean up the water pump housing area and get all the dirt and debris out. I'm not 100% complete yet, but there's going to be a rubber gasket that's going to be in between here to get it out. You're going to need a pick, and if you're going to have a gasket like this, you have to pull out because it was leaking around this area here. As you can see, that's what it was leaking from. Okay, and there's going to be another one that goes here. It's a little smaller one, which is right here. All right, so once you clean this bad boy up, clean this area up, then we can slap in a new one and just repeat the process in reverse. And I'll make a video of when the car is started. Again, this is Brandon with Top Notch. If you have any questions, make sure to inbox me, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with any of your car issues that you are having. Be blessed and have a great day. Thank you.